Good morning, my dear students. Myself Arul Murugan. Welcome to my digital class. Chapter name Input, Output and Memory Devices. Lecture video part 9. Dear students, in a previous class lecture video, we discussed very clearly about laser printer and inkjet printer. In today's lecture video, we are going to discuss plotter printers and speakers. We will see one by one. First, plotter printer. Dear students, plotter printer is an output device. What is plotter printer? It is an output device that draws a space on paper based on commands from a computer. What is plotter printer? Plotter printer is an output device that draw shapes on paper based on commands from a computer. So the commands will comes from the computer. Based on that, it will draw the shapes on the paper. Understand? Dear students, this plotter printer differ from other printers. See, plotter printer differ from other printers in that they draw lines using pen. Plotter printer differ from printers, which means other printers, in that they draw lines using pen. As a result, they can produce continuous line, whereas printers, which means other printers, can only stimulate line printing a closely spaced series of dots. Now, I think you get to know the difference between plotter printer and other printer. For example, if other printer wants to print 1, how it will print? The closest dot, it is stimulate like 1, whereas the plotter printer will produce continuous line with the help of pen. Understand? That is a major difference between plotter printer and other printers. As a result, they can produce continuous line where in the plotter printer, whereas the printer, which means other printer, can only stimulate line printing a closely spaced series of dots. Understand? Next, multicolor plotters use different colored pen to draw different colors. Here the plotter can print different colors also with the help of different color pens. Each and every color they have a unique pen. Understand? Plotter are more expensive than printer. These plotter printers are more expensive than our normal other printers, and they are used in the engineering application, flex printing, like this. In this places and all, the plotter printer is using. Understand? Right. And this is the example for plotter printer, engineering applications, flex designing. For these places and all, the plotter printer is using, and this is very much more cost. Right. Next, this is another example for plotter printer, how it is printing. Next, speakers. Dear students, this is another input device. So what is speaker? Speakers are output devices. What it will do? The sound signal from analog or digital are converted into audible frequency in the speakers to produce voice output. Dear students, the signal may be come from analog or digital, which means analog means our voice command using microphone. So we are sending voice signals, which means sound signal. Understand? And digital signal, which is come from the computer. So this sound signal which is come from analog or digital, it may be any form, analog form or digital form, it will convert it into audible frequency in the speaker to produce voice output. The voice output is called audio data. Right. Using speakers along with speech synthesizer software, the computer can produce voice output. My dear students, using speaker along with a special software called speech synthesizer software, with the help of these, the computer can produce voice output. This is very common in many places, like airlines, banks, automatic telephone inquiry systems and all. You can see IVR or in a bank and all to announce the token number, and airlines, the list of flights are available. So all the voice command is based on the computer voice command. How it is generating the voice command? With the help of speaker and speech synthesizer software. Understand? Next, see, users can also hear music, songs using voice output system. So in a day-to-day life, we are using speakers, so we are listening music and songs with the help of voice output system. Next, 2.1 or 5.1, 2.1 or 5.1. So everywhere we know that 5.1 audio system, 2.1 audio system. What does that mean, 2.1 and 5.1? Which indicate that position of speakers and tracking system. For example, 2.1, what does mean by 2.1? Two speakers, speaker 1 and speaker 2. Two speaker and one tracking system, which means woofer. Understand? So two speaker and one woofer, which means tracking system, is called 2.1. Then what is 5.1? Too simple, 5 speakers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 speakers, along with that one tracking system is called 5.1 sound system. Understand? My dear students, I am going to conclude the session by giving a summary. The first one, plotter printer. We know that plotter is an output device that draw shapes on paper based on commands from a computer. Here the plotter printer is differ from other printer in that they can draw lines using pen. As a result, they can produce a continuous lines, whereas other printer can produce only stimulates line printing a closely spaced series of dots. That is a major difference between plotter printer and other types of printers. Here multicolor plotter printer use different colored pen to draw different colors, and they are more expensive than other printers. They are used in the engineering applications, flex designing and all they are using. And this is the example for plotter printer, and this is another example for plotter printer. So here you can see high resolution and high quality graphic we can get the output. Understand? Next, speakers. We know that the speakers are output device. The sound signal from analog or digital are converted into audible frequency in the speakers and produce voice output, which means audio data. Using speakers along with a special software called speech synthesizer software. What is the special software? Speech synthesizer software. Along with the speakers, the computer can produce voice output. And this is very common in many places. Airlines, banks, automatic telephone inquiry, railways and all, we can hear this computer voice output. How they are making? With help of speakers and speech synthesizer software. With the help of speakers, we can hear music and songs. And 2.1, 5.1, which indicates that position of speakers and tracking system. We know that what is 2.1? 2 speakers and 1 tracking system. 5.1, 5 speakers and 1 tracking system. My dear students, kindly watch this video one more time. Still, if you have any doubt, feel free to message me or call me. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. We will see next class with some other topic. Thank you.